How to go into REM sleep. If you're curious about how to enter the fascinating world of REM sleep, where your brain is as active as when you're awake and your dreams are at their most vivid, you're in the right place. Let's break down the steps to help you get the most out of your sleep. First, it's important to understand that REM sleep is part of a larger sleep cycle that includes both REM and non-REM sleep. These cycles repeat every 90 to 120 minutes throughout the night. To increase your chances of entering REM sleep, you need to ensure you're getting enough overall sleep. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, is crucial. This helps your body maintain a consistent circadian rhythm, which is essential for regulating your sleep-wake cycle and promoting REM sleep. Use sleep hygiene techniques. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can make a big difference. This includes exercising regularly, but not too close to bedtime, and maintaining a cool, dark, and quiet bedroom. Avoid gadgets and screens before bed, as the blue light they emit can interfere with your sleep. Establish a soothing bedtime routine, such as reading a book or taking a warm bath, to help your body wind down. Ensure quality sleep. Sleeping for at least 7 to 9 hours each night is vital. Since REM sleep occurs mostly in the second half of the night, shorter sleep periods may not allow enough time for all the REM sleep cycles. Aim for a full night's sleep to give your body the time it needs to complete these cycles. Manage your sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep patterns. If you find yourself unable to sleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed and do something relaxing in another room until you feel sleepy enough to return. Understand the role of circadian rhythm. Your body's circadian rhythm plays a significant role in regulating REM sleep. This internal clock synchronizes processes like body temperature and the sleep-wake cycle, promoting REM sleep at specific times during the night. Avoid sleep disorders and medications. Certain conditions like depression, insomnia, and some medications can affect the quality and duration of your REM sleep. If you have any underlying health issues, it's important to manage them to ensure better sleep quality. The REM sleep cycle. Your first REM cycle typically occurs about 60 to 90 minutes after you fall asleep. Each subsequent cycle gets longer, with the final cycle often lasting up to an hour. During these cycles, your brain activity increases, your heart rate and breathing quicken, and your muscles become temporarily paralyzed to prevent you from acting out your dreams. By following these guidelines, you can improve the quality of your sleep and increase the likelihood of entering the REM sleep stage, where your brain processes memories, emotions, and new learnings, and where you experience those vivid dreams. Remember, a good night's sleep is key to overall health and well-being.